What up, fam? Manly Brandon
And DJ.
down here in the dirty dungeon. Today we got Reese's Big Cup Caramel. So yeah, let's try one of these mothers. Surprised this hasn't been a thing sooner, honestly.
Yeah. Come on. Of course I already did this.
What you did?
Phone has already fallen into the thing. Come on, I can do this. Oh.
All right, here you go.
Bam, I did it.
All right, sweet. All right, this is what we got.
This one is amazing.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah, that's lovely. That's a 10 out of 10 for me.
Yeah, good.
I love Reese's. I love caramel, caramello, whatever. I love it all. Yeah, definitely get these. All right, peace.